In this video, you'll learn how to create a WordPress child theme. By following this guide, you will be able to customize your WordPress site without affecting the parent theme. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the page. Click on this option to proceed to your list of sites. After accessing your sites, identify and click on the theme section. This section will display the current themes installed on your WordPress account. Once you click on it, a new screen will appear showing available themes. Next, locate the search bar on the themes page. This is typically positioned at the top of the themes section. Click in the search bar and type child themes available for use. Once you have entered child theme, browse through the search results that appear. You will see a list of child themes that match your search. Choose the child theme you would like to use by clicking on it to view more details. After selecting a child theme, you will see an option to activate it. Click on the button labeled Activate. This action will enable the child theme on your site, allowing you to start customizing it. Next, you need to choose the specific site that you want to update with the new child theme. A list of your sites will be displayed. Click on the site you wish to modify and wait for the confirmation message indicating that you have selected the site. After selecting your site, a confirmation message will appear stating you have selected the site. This message confirms that the child theme activation process was successful. Now you can proceed with customizing your child theme as needed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.